Hey, what's up? Welcome to Car Garage. Make sure to please like and subscribe on my channel. So today you can see the blinker light is going on and off here. This is the passenger side. So basically if I go to the right side, it's actually an up. There it is. So it's not working. So today I'm going to replace this portion of the side mirror, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the mirror. Alright, so to do it, basically there's a tab right here in the bottom, right here, but I'm going to have it like that, and I'm gonna use my flathead in there and pry it in between the white base and the black part of this mirror. Alright, I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside or behind this mirror. Okay, that mirror, you guys see the mirror there, and I'm gonna show you guys what's behind there. So basically alright, so this tab right here, this one right there where I have my flashlight on, there it's touching it right now. So that tab is clipped on to the base, white base of the mirror. So there's one here, and so there's another one right here, alright, on the far end. So I'm going to pry the white and the black part of the mirror. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Hopefully I can have my light stuff in here so you guys can see where I'm actually putting it. Alright, so just 1 second, let me go grab my flathead. Okay guys, so here's my flathead. I'm gonna use it to pry in between the white and okay, it dropped, but yeah. Alright, can you guys see where my flathead is? So it's in between the black and the white base right now. Okay, so that's where it is. So it's pried in between it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pry it. Okay. Alright, so I got both sides in out. So basically you want to go tilt it like this, and you want to have it out, push it towards you just like so. Alright, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo some screws over here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna remove the screw. That's 1, 2. All right. And the bottom. 2 bottom. There you go. So that removes the black part that was here. Alright. And now I'm ready to separate it. Just trying to see where it's gonna come out to. So there's a connector right here. I'm going to undo that. There you go. That's out. And I'm trying to squeeze this thing up, just like so. Alright. So here's the old one, and I'm gonna compare it with the new one. They look like a match to me. There you go. So it is a match. So now I'm going to test it if it's working. Alright, so I'm going to plug it in. So that's plugged. And I'm going to turn on my hazard to see if it's working. Oh snap! It's working. It's working. Okay, so I'm going to put it back together. So I'm going to unplug this, put it right there, and I'm going to slide this in. Just like so. So I'll make sure that this will line up, this and this, and yeah, so just two. This one line up on the skull hole where you're gonna screw in. Okay. All right. So I have the blinker in. I'm not gonna forget to plug in the connector, so I will do that right now. Just like that. Alright, so that's where the screw is gonna go into. So I'm making sure it lined up. So there's just basically two, right? And I'm going to put this cover on now. Alright. Yeah, that's gonna go in there. Just like so. Alright. So all I need to do now is put the screw back in. So there's 4 screws that's going in there. 2 bottom, 2 tops. Alright, so I'm just gonna hold tight. So mix contact and flush. So just like that. And I'm going to slap it in. that. Alright, now I'm gonna put the mirror back in. I had to remove the mirror because I was going to go pick up my wife, so I could drive it without the mirror, so it's not hanging loose. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it back. So there's just basically two connector harnesses here for the heated mirror. Alright guys, so when I took it off, I remember that this blue wire goes to the bottom, so it goes in like this. You actually need to remove this in order for you to get this black piece out. Alright, so you're going to remove it actually, otherwise you can't. Oh, you might actually be able to slide it in without removing the wire. Okay, so the other color wire is black and white, that's gonna go on top. So you guys can see that. See, this is the bottom tab and this is the other side tab, and so we're going to see this clip right here too. That's basically gonna go in this inside. Alright, so it's gonna go in there. It's going to hook onto that, so it's gonna go in like that and hook onto that like that. Alright, so I'm going to do that right now. So go in an angle like this. So I have it in both sides. Just like so. I'm going to press it in like that. Alright, that's in. That's it, guys. That's how you install the blinker light on the mirror and how to remove the mirror. Alright. Okay guys, thanks for watching.